Okay, the integration of AI and automation in the logistics sector is leading to a significant reduction in the need for human workers. So I have 4 key points supporting this statement, accompanied by the relevant journal reference. So the first is automation of routine tasks eliminate human job. So AI-driven automation is revolutionizing logistics by handling repetitive tasks like demand forecasting, inventory management, and transportation planning. Automated warehouse systems such as thus used by Amazon and Alibaba demonstrate how robots replace human workers in picking, packing, and sorting process. So the more companies adopt these technologies, the fewer work they need. And according to Journal of Industrial Engineering and Research 2023, AI-forward logistics has reduced human labor requirement by 30% in automated warehouses. So the second, declining employment due to AI implementation. AI and robotics are reshaping employment in logistics, making many traditional roles obsolete, and the companies prefer AI-driven system for their efficiency, cost saving, and ability to work 24 hours without break or error. So according to Conference Journal 2023, highlight that warehouse jobs are declining as autonomous robot or AI-forward software take over operations, while new jobs in AI management emerge. They require specialized skill and making it difficult for displaced worker to transition. So the third is AI and robotics reduce the need for human oversight. So the argument that AI and automation only assist workers in cloud advanced AI system can now make independent decisions in logistics, reducing the need for human oversight, and also AI-driven supply chain analytics, self-driving delivery truck, and drone deliveries prove that logistic operation are becoming increasingly autonomous. So in a study in Tyler and France 2023 found that 70% of logistic companies using AI reported a decrease in human defense and decisions making. So the last is the systematic replacement of human labor is evidence. As AI becomes more complicated, its application is in logistics expand from automated inventory tracking to predictive analytics for supply chain optimization. A review published in Journal 20 from MDPI 2023 found that AI adoption in logistics reduce the need for human labor while increasing productivity. And the more business integrate AI, the fewer human workers they require, and confirming that automation is replacing jobs rather than complementing them. And I think that's all from me.
Okay, Melia, I don't agree with you that AI should be taking over the logistics industry because, first of all, I have 4 points just like you, and the first one is complex problem solving and adaptability. Yes, sometimes AI is good and simple. It's simple for them to make judgments, but some unexpected factors like the weather, bad weather, or some unexpected changes in the delivery information, AI will struggle to adapt to that, and it requires human judgment and human mind to make the right decision based on that, to have problem solving. My next point would be human interaction and customer service. Of course, when a customer is unhappy about the product, they would rather talk to a real person compared to a robot or a generated instant reply message, because when you have a real person on the other side of the line, it shows that the company takes the customers seriously and they don't want to make the customers wait and annoyed, which could bring down the value of the company and the image of the company. So you cannot replace humans with AI in that aspects. In that aspect, my next point is limitations of the current AI and automation. So we use AI to transport stuff because it's convenient. The humans can work on other stuff while the AI just works on transporting the goods, maybe from this loading bay to the shelf or from that loading bay to another shelf. But sometimes when you have weird packages and unique items in the warehouse, the AI will struggle to identify that, and they might put that in the wrong place, which could disrupt the whole flow of where's the actual product or the whole flow of the warehouse, because people will be searching for that product instead, or the package, instead of having it instantly and they can just send it out. The final point is economic and social factors. So you said that AI is replacing jobs, and that's not necessarily a good thing, because then there will be a lot of jobless people in the world, and with that they wouldn't be happy. It would be an imbalance of economy. There would be less people with jobs and more people without jobs, which could throw the whole economy out of balance. So that's my defense as to why AI is not really taking over the logistics industry, because you have all these factors that are very important and you need them, and AI just can't replace them. That's all from me.
Okay, Ashwin. Okay, I like your points. But the thing is, okay, for us, for the all the, like, we all tell about the workers, or we like to tell like employers. So do you think the employers will be happy when the AI contribute in this situation? For me, I think it's not, because the way we are living here is like we work, we go to the happier place, and we sleep. That's the thing. That's the, like an according schedule in the human life. AI is just supporting small things only. We just need AI to support our small things, not the biggest things. Because the logistics thing is the biggest. It's not the smallest one. If you trusted the AI, the thing is, all the system in the transportations or every single thing will be delayed. If you ask me, we use the drone to pick up the thing from the space or the place or the rack to the ship or to the lorry. Easy, will not cause any accidents, such as drone hitting drones or hitting on the racks or any stabilizations like that. So I'm just curious in some things, because AI is just a part of our work-life thing, not our work. So I suggesting, for my point is, I just want to make sure that human need to be replaced, not the AI. So that's all for me.
For me, AI give a big impact for the humanity, such as environmental impact, because AI requires massive data centers that consume enormous amount of electricity. Training a single large AI model can emit as much carbon dioxide as 5 cars over their entire lifetime. And yet, government are doing much to regulate AI's carbon footprint. Tax companies are expanding their AI operation without being accountable for the energy they consume or the emission they produce. Then there is the issue of bias in AI. People assume AI is neutral, but that's far from the truth. AI system learn from the past data, and if that data contains discrimination, AI just amplifies it. Take hiring system, for example. Amazon had to scrap an AI recruitment tool because it was biased against women. The system was trained on past hiring data that favor men, so it started downgrading resumes from women. Then that's not artificial intelligence, that's artificial discrimination.
And automation, actually a significant negative environment effect. AI forward automation that require energy and resources. It is often more environmentally efficient than traditional logistic operations. And the AI optimized route reduce fuel consumption and minimize waste in supply chain, leading to a smaller carbon footprint. For example, AI-driven fleet management system have companies like UPS and DHL reduce the fuel use and emission through the optimized delivery route. Moreover, the automation reduce the material waste by improving inventory management, ultimately beneficially the environment rather than the harming it.
Okay, that's nice. That was nice. So we need to conclude the is it AI possible can go through these situations. So I just need suggestions. For me is I did not suggested AI. So others, Hamim, Ashin, and Mimi. So give me any suggestions for me, so I can conclude. Okay, for easy for us. Anyone?
Okay, I'll go first. I think that AI is a good tool to use in logistics because anything that can lessen the burden of human labor is a good thing, but it shouldn't replace human labor because some things really need humans' attention because AI doesn't have emotions. So when we react in a certain way, it's out of emotions like fear. If we send the AI robot or the vehicle to drive in bad weather, the AI is gonna do it because they have no fear. But a human would know what could go wrong, so they would choose a better and smarter option to not send or to not drive in that weather. So it's a good tool, but it should never replace humans. That's my point.
Okay, that's good. Thank you so much, Ashin. So I would like to finish the debate part here. So I just would like to conclude that I will choose AI just as a tool, not as a replacement, as Ashin said, not as a replacement for the humans. So that's all from me. Thank you so much, guys. Is there anything else points you guys need to add it or need to list?
For me, AI isn't just replacing factory workers anymore. It's taking over the customer service, journalism, and even illegal work. Self-checkout system are replacing cashiers. AI is handling customer support chats, and then automate system and scanning legal document faster than humans. It's not just low-wage workers at risk, but white-collars jobs are being automated too. But where are the government policies to cover these displaced workers? Many countries don't have proper retaining programs or safety nets in place. The problem isn't about the AI, but how it used. The weak government policies allow tech company to prioritize profit over people if don't push for regulation that ensure AI is ethical, sustainable, and fair. We're going to face serious consequences. It's time to care about the AI before it's too late in the future. That's for me.
Alright.
Thank you.
Thank you, Hamir. So that's all from us. Okay, so we finished the debate here. So thank you guys for participating in this debate and letting you know that AI also needed to be part of the logistics informations. So that's all from me. Thank you. Bye bye.